Yo, what up, guys? In this video, we're actually going to fix an issue that I forgot to fix in the last video. Um, when we press play, first of all, highlight the player, zoom in a bit so you can see. Notice the player game object. Press play, and you see how it's rotating? That's actually going to be a problem. And notice that when you try to jump, sometimes it won't jump. And that's because our player game object has a ground point attached to it. So if we have the game object just rotating, there's going to be times when the ground point just like is on top and you jump and like it doesn't detect that you're grounded. So that's obviously going to be an issue. So to solve that, we're actually going to drag in a new sprite, uh, which is going to be your fidget spinner. And we're going to want it to be the same size as the player. So go to the player. We're gonna copy the transform components. So press copy, go back to the new fidget spinner and just paste the same values, just like that. And now we're gonna add a script to it. So go to add component and let's just say rotate. Just like that, that's fine. And now that we have the rotate script, let's go back to our fidget spinner and rename it to, or actually that's fine, fidget spinner. And make sure that you make it a child of the player game object, just like that. And go back to your player, and you're gonna want to remove the sprite renderer. So remove component. Now select the fidget spinner, open the script, and you can remove the start method. We won't be using that. We're only going to be using the update method. So it's going to be very easy, guys. So let's just say transform dot rotate. It's going to be a new vector3, and the x value is going to be 0, the y value 0 as well, and on the z we're going to say time dot delta time times, and you can play around with this value here. I'm just gonna I don't know, let's try 210 and see how that feels and looks. And you can always lower the value or make it higher to make it go faster or slower. Save it, go back to the IDE, and let's very quickly put these scripts we created in the scripts folder. Just stay organized. Whoa. All right, so that should do. Let's press play and see what happens. Oh yeah, okay, back to the player, and we're gonna add a constraint. Sorry about that. And we're gonna add a constraint in the z axis. Let's try it now. There you go. Perfect. So the whole player game object is no longer rotating. Notice how the ground point will stay at the bottom. There you go. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.